We got some congestion on the South Hill escalator from the Donald level down to the main floor. Alternate routes include the stairs and the elevator right over there. Good morning, Neons. It's Julie and Kevin. Woo! And guest Ivan. Oh, dang it. I hope I got you. Anyway, we're back at Disneyland today, this lovely day of May 18th, and check out that construction.
Put some more clips in after.
Yeah, well, I mean, actually, they're not doing much, but boy, they really raised the parking lot, as it were.
Yeah, you can see the looks like what used to be Mickey's Fun Wheel, Pixar Pal thing is like all painted.
Just gonna pop through security. It is almost 9 a.m. actually. We're not quite here at opening, so but we still should be here early enough. The line shouldn't be quite as bad. And if you caught my, you'll catch my traffic update earlier. There's a bit of a traffic jam on the south escalator. See you all inside. Getting the birthday pin from Chamber of Commerce at DCA because it's Kevin's birthday.
Oh yeah, that's why we're here.
Yeah. May 18th, folks.
Yeah.
May 18th is his birthday. For many more. How old is the birthday boy?
I'm not gonna say.
Okay.
72.
Yep, that's how old. 72.
Minus a good number of years, and you're about right.
Let's go check out the Pixar Pier update.
Ah.
Here's our construction update. Hey, Julie.
Yes.
So on the Golden Zephyr, did it used to say Paradise Pier beneath that?
It said Paradise Pier.
But now it just says Paradise, right? Like I'm not imagining that.
No,
right?
because in a prior vlog I was asking, I saw that, I'm like, gee, if they're renaming it Pixar Pier, what are they going to be doing about that?
Because that area is now Paradise Park. Maybe they'll put Park beneath it.
Sadness.
Let's see.
When are they going to rename the hotel?
I don't know.
I touched on that in a previous vlog.
Yeah, it's been a while for you. I mean, they've painted a lot of stuff, right?
What's all that stuff down there?
Oh, that's World of Color. Those are all the spray nozzles.
That is where all the magic comes from,
what,
yo.
like it lowered? It's been lowered or what?
Oh, they're working on it.
So like they rose it?
Yeah, either they lowered the water or they raised it up.
Probably both, I guess.
They did a little bit of both.
Yeah. A little column A, a little column B.
It's ruining the experience.
Yeah, well, they gotta do it sometime.
Well, I mean, there's construction going on anyway in the background. You might as well, kill two things with one stone.
Yeah. Oh, they're doing something on that second lift hill over there. What are they doing? Let's look and see. But yeah, there's that. We're gonna hit up the AAP corner now. Julie's gonna mostly be doing the vlogging today.
Woohoo!
Because as you saw, it's my birthday, so I'm just gonna be kind of enjoying it. Julie will be doing most of the other stuff, but I'll do like the shows and stuff since I'm used to holding it longer.
If you can see any of my handiwork from the previous vlog I did with Gina,
Yeah.
It was a bit bobby.
That was pretty good. Anyway, let's head over there.
So it turns out AP Corner opens at 11. It's just about 10, so we nipped over to Goofy Sky School for a bit of rip-roaring fun. How was it?
Well, Ivan and I were in the same car together, so.
Because someone said 2 instead of 3. Trust. Impressions?
Well, we've been on it before, but I always enjoy it. It's a
good way to wake up in the morning.
It's a little unassuming.
I'll say. Yeah, I was in a little cart by myself with some other people. Good times, good times.
It's not too busy right now, but I have a feeling it's going to get a lot busier because they have the grad night, not where they close the park early necessarily, Although DCA is closing at 9 compared to Disneyland at 12, but they just do that sometimes.
Yeah.
So I'll figure it'll pick up and there'll be a bunch of
Youngins.
Yeah.
No, youngins, whippersnappers.
We'll see. Hopefully they're well behaved.
Let's set a good example for them anyway.
I'm gonna head to Disneyland and try to get a fast pass right now. For, Fantasmic.
Woo!
I've been doing shooting. Oh, you got those flowers? Nice. You gotta call your shots.
The tombstone.
Tombstone. There you go. At the owl. Try to shoot the train coming around, moving target. Nice.
Yeah, don't use this one.
Okay.
It doesn't really work.
Okay, go for it. Okay, Julie will be shooting too. Just want you to wait for his friends to spy over there.
Oh, okay. That's gonna be a little harder. No good anymore.
Well, I'll pick something closer then.
Yeah, I was gonna overrule Tom Harper die with a frown. This is all that one guy. Alright, we'll try using the cactus again. Oh, it's a band. The great Kevin shooting.
That buzzing isn't pretty. I'm gonna get the bird on top of the hill.
Alright, go for it.
Try to get the spider. I've got that spider. I'm gonna try to get the other one.
Nice.
Maybe get the third spider.
Third time's the charm?
Spiders want to go down.
Oh no, tic-tac-toe 3 in a row.
Now when I got that, I'm gonna get that spider.
There goes the band.
That cactus over there.
Cacti. Nice.
No, I got the birds go up. Come back down. And get the other cactus head to it.
Yeah.
On it.
I think it's a bird's nest right there. Oh, nice. Birds.
I'm gonna try the mines right
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna go for the bottle next to the drink.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you got got your lightsaber churro, huh?
Yeah, the light side of churros.
What time is it?
It is 10:54.
Okay, so about 5 minutes or so until the first order is going to be coming out with Captain Phasma.
Should I like join in?
Well, I don't know if you're allowed to fight with a churro, but
Oh, my hair looks all funny.
thanks for sharing. Yeah, they used to have, I think, like black paper, so it looked more like a lightsaber hilt. I think they're going to be doing crowd control.
David's hiding his hand.
Hope they don't see you.
You guys keep up.
I don't want to see you.
I'm trying to.
You should wave your lightsaber churro at them.
I should just walk up to him and be like, I'll feed you.
Kind
Hold
of
out the lightsaber?
Yeah, people will break your lightsaber. How is it? It just tastes like churro, or
Yeah.
it tastes blue?
I like the little stars.
Ah, like a little glitter almost.
I don't want to go over there and just like wave my churro.
You should try.
Troops, move in. We were informed there was a threat to the First Order in this area. We're moving out. Now.
Yes, Captain.
Advance. Pay attention. If the resistance is here, we will find them. Stop. Status report on this area.
Captain, we have alerted all units as you ordered. The resistance fighters will be found.
Very good. Eyes and ears on me. You'd better believe eyes are on you. It seems that a low-life, worthless traitor has been passing information to the Resistance. We have narrowed our search to this sector. Our mission is clear. If you have information, you will give that information to us. If you pass information to the Resistance, you'll be considered a traitor. And a target. Enough of this. Other matters require my attention. Move out!
Yes, Captain.
Advance. Clear out. Step aside. The target. Stop. The authority of General Hux. You are here under the authority of me. Here's how this works. I talk, you listen. We've tried to spy for the Resistance to this sector. If you might consider supporting the Resistance, I have some advice. Don't. Show me fearless. We do not tolerate traitors, nor those who hide them. Battle starts. It will not be easy to crush the Resistance. but he will be satisfying.
Upsilon class shuttle pursuer to Captain Phasma. Orders from General Hux. Return to base immediately.
At attention. All units, return to base. Move. Patrol unit, the Resistance has a base here. Stay alert. Bring any suspects directly to me.
Had an encounter with the First Order.
I like that little thing. I like the music.
Very thrilling.
The resistance?
First
we are
Order.
the
No,
Resistance.
we are the Resistance.
I even held up a churro to one of the
Yeah, and then you got in my face.
So, yeah, for all those Resistance people out there, keep fighting, fight on.
Yeah, it really does kind of go throughout. It starts over there at the, I don't know, Star Wars HQ, and the top comes down, comes out here near Star Tours, kind of loops back around, and
Up, down, and all
Yeah.
around. I don't know if I got all of it. Anyway.
well, I'll try to stitch together. I might have to do different shows to put it together. Okay?
All right, then. Oops. Not very good, this. Anyway, where are we off to now?
Maybe a show. We'll see.
Yay!